Hello, I'm really excited to show this condo. If you've been in St. Louis, visited, or even read about us, you've seen the City Museum. Amazing place. Museum being used in the loosest sense of the word. It's a collection of found architectural items from buildings which have been torn down over the years, and then reformulated through the mind of the late Bob Cassilly into an amazing combination child and adult playground slash historic preservation slash health and safety officer's nightmare. Totally amazing place, definitely worth checking out. But not only can you check it out, you can live here too. So we have here Unit 505E. It's a 2-bedroom unit. Which has great views, and everything in this unit, as well as in this whole building, came from the mind of Bob Cassilly. So you can see here the dining area. Polished concrete floor. Looking around to the living room. Looking out over the river. Have these little areas down here, probably be useful for potted plants some other way I think may have been what was originally envisioned. Coming back around, the materials are the amazing thing. We have here an old mailbox that was taken from it's like a mailbox in Chicago. This is TIG welded inch-thick steel on top of another, what looks like a escalator treads. I have no idea what those could have been in their previous life. You could spend hours just trying to figure out what the found materials in this building actually were originally used for. This wraps around into the kitchen. Kitchen cabinets are obviously normal and modern, but really awesome layout here too as well. You can see the curvature of everything. Wonderful open shelving. We have a little powder room here. Coming back around. This is the utility room, laundry, storage. And coming back into here, we have the first of the bedrooms. Unfortunately, the ceiling fan light in this one is burned out. But you can see here, I can do that, you do get an infinity effect here, I guess you'd say, from one mirror to the other, all the way back if you're standing there. Just super cool. This is the primary bedroom. Large bath. Whirlpool tub, closet, and obviously the vanity toilet. We have here the second bedroom. There we go, we can get a better infinity effect there. Just amazing the detail that was put into the tile around the doors. And what I'm gonna do, stay tuned. I'm going to walk outside once we get out of here, go down the maze that it takes to get back to the other rest of the building, and then we can take a look at the outside of this amazing museum. Thank you. Okay, we're outside. Here's the hallway. Check out some of these reclaimed treasures. Wall of bottles here. This would have been one of the medallions on the top of a building. Probably see these around on some old 1910s, 1920s era. Lots of stuff I can't quite figure out. We have a porthole here. And this is a wall of escalator steps. It's really cool how those reflect the light. Looks like a wall of air bricks, maybe? And then this would have been a security gate somewhere or other. And as promised, we're back out at the front of the City Museum. Please check out this place online. It is amazing, and definitely come down here and visit. It's awesome. It's excellent in the evenings if you're looking for a more adult vacation or a more adult experience. It's popular with children and adults both. But everything here is just amazing. There's the fuselage of an airplane. A reconstructed tower. And as we come along here, there is secure parking, by the way, as well as cheaper street parking, which is what I always use. Here we go. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.